What if machine could see without you writing a single line of code? Or what if you could build an AI inspection model in a day without needing a developer? Meet AIS Vision, our zero-code AI toolkits that enable you to label, train, validate models in just 4 steps, from electronics to automotive, from food productions to packaging. AIS Vision empower every sector of manufacturing with advanced techniques to turn a few samples into an industrial-grade model fast. In real-world case studies, model training goes from hours to minutes, ready for deployment before the day is over. AIS Vision came loaded with advanced AI models for classifications, object detections, segmentations, and anomalies detections, ready to handle everything from texture surface to complex assemblies. Once trained, the model deploys instantly thanks to its optimized runtime for CPU, GPU, and OpenVINO. This translates to smarter manufacturing, less waste, fewer errors, clear ROI, fast. Deploying a model is just as seamless. AIS Vision integrates directly with your line, optimized for CPU, GPU, and Intel OpenVINO, bringing you fast, efficient inference right where it's needed. AIS Vision don't just inspect, it transforms how factories work. Build smart, deploy faster, see the result today. Zero code, one platform, full production. AIS Vision is redefining how industry sees, inspect, and succeed. Join us at CTI Resources. Transform your operations with AI Vision inspections. Contact us for more information. Register now. See you later.